Struggling to manage your money or wondering where it all goes each month? You're not alone, and you don't need spreadsheets or complicated math to fix it. In this episode of Mind Over Money Academy, we'll show you how to build a simple, stress-free budget that actually works. You'll learn how to track your income, give every dollar a job, and finally take control of your finances, even if you've never budgeted before. Because budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about clarity. It's about confidence. It's about freedom. Here's the truth. Most people think budgeting means saying no all the time. But in reality, a budget is about saying yes. Yes to the things that matter most to you. Think about it. Two people can earn the exact same income. One feels broke every single month, constantly stressed, never sure if they can cover their bills. The other feels calm, confident, and even manages to save for the future. The difference isn't how much they earn. It's whether or not they have a plan. That plan is a budget. And here's something powerful. Studies show that people who actively track their money feel more in control of their lives overall. It's not just about dollars, it's about peace of mind. Step 1 is simple. Know your numbers. You can't manage what you don't measure. Start by writing down your monthly income. That's your starting point. Next, list your fixed expenses. Things like rent, utilities, subscriptions. Then add your variable expenses, food, entertainment, shopping, transportation. And here's the key. Don't judge yourself yet. This isn't about guilt. It's about awareness. I want you to pause for a moment and think about your top 5 monthly expenses. Where does most of your money actually go? For many people, the answer is surprising. Sometimes it's eating out. Sometimes it's subscriptions they forgot about. Sometimes it's impulse shopping. Here's a quick exercise. Open your banking app later today and scroll through the last month of transactions. Highlight 3 purchases that made you genuinely happy, and 3 that you regret. That contrast will tell you a lot about your spending patterns. Step 2. Give every dollar a job. Instead of letting money slip away without direction, you assign it a purpose. Some goes to essentials, some to fun, some to savings. Here's an example. Let's say you earn $2,000 a month. You might assign $1,000 to needs, rent, bills, groceries, $600 to wants, dining out, hobbies, entertainment, and $400 to savings or debt repayment. Suddenly, every dollar has a mission. And when every dollar has a mission, you stop wondering where your money went, because you already told it where to go. Think of it like being the CEO of your own money. Every dollar is an employee. If you don't give them a job, they'll wander off and waste time. But if you assign them tasks, they'll work for you. Step 3. Keep it simple and sustainable. The best budget isn't the most complicated one. It's the one you'll actually stick to. You don't need fancy apps or spreadsheets. A notebook works. A notes app on your phone works. Even envelopes with cash can work. The key is consistency. Here's a tip. Set aside 10 minutes every Sunday to review your money. That's it, just 10 minutes. Check in, see how you're doing, and make small adjustments. That tiny habit will keep you on track far more than a complicated system you'll abandon after 2 weeks. And remember, your budget should fit your lifestyle. If you love coffee, don't cut it out completely. Just plan for it. A budget that ignores your real life will never last. Now let's bust a few myths about budgeting. Myth number 1. Budgeting is only for people who are bad with money. Truth. Budgeting is how people get good with money. Myth number 2. I don't earn enough to budget. Truth. If you don't earn much, budgeting is even more important. Every dollar counts. Myth number 3. Budgets are too restrictive. Truth. A budget is freedom. It lets you spend without guilt because you know you're staying within your plan. And here's a bonus myth. I'll start budgeting when I make more money. The reality? If you can't manage $500, you won't magically manage $5,000. Habits scale with income. The best time to start is now. Let's play out 2 quick scenarios. Scenario 1. Alex earns $2,500 a month but doesn't budget. By the end of the month, Alex has no idea where the money went. Stress builds and saving feels impossible. Scenario 2. Jordan earns the same $20,500 but uses a simple budget. Jordan sets aside $250 for savings, $1,200 for needs, $700 for wants, and $350 for debt repayment. At the end of the month, Jordan feels in control and is actually building a financial cushion. Same income, different outcomes. That's the power of budgeting. So let's recap. Budgeting isn't about spreadsheets. It's about clarity, control, and confidence. When you know where your money is going, you can finally start directing it toward your goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a trip, or building long-term wealth. This is budgeting made simple. No spreadsheets, no stress. Just a clear, beginner-friendly system to help you manage your money and build financial freedom. Subscribe to Mind Over Money Academy for more animated personal finance lessons. And in the comments, share this. What's one expense you'd like to cut back on this month? Your answer might inspire someone else to start budgeting smarter.